In a small town, nestled between rolling hills and a shimmering river, there lived an old clockmaker named Elias. His workshop, filled with the rhythmic ticking of countless clocks, was a sanctuary of movement and purpose. Each clock, meticulously crafted, told not just the time, but also the story of Elias's unwavering dedication to his craft. He believed that to rest was to rust. Inactivity, in his eyes, was akin to letting the gears of life grow stiff and unyielding. One day, a young boy named Samuel wandered into Elias's workshop, drawn by the enchanting sounds. He marveled at the intricate designs and the way each clock seemed to dance with time. Samuel was restless, always dreaming of adventures beyond the confines of their town. He often spoke of grand journeys, of exploring distant lands, yet he hesitated to take the first step. Elias, observing the boy's hesitation, decided to impart a lesson. "Every clock you see here was once just a collection of parts," he began, his voice steady. "They didn't become what they are by sitting idle. They had to be assembled, tested, and adjusted. Each tick is a testament to perseverance, to the refusal to remain still. If I had let these gears gather dust, they would have lost their purpose, just as you risk losing yours by not engaging with the world." Inspired by Elias's words, Samuel realized that growth required action. The rust of inactivity could dull his dreams, but the vibrant pulse of life awaited those who dared to engage. With newfound determination, he left the workshop, ready to embrace the challenges ahead. In that moment, he understood that life, much like the clocks, thrived on movement, and every tick of time was an invitation to create, to explore, and to grow. I hope this information was helpful. It all begins with you. Thank you very much for watching.